Hey everyone, welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Thursday, November 6, 2025. Hope you're having a good day. Hope it's been a great trading day for you. Keep in mind, everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. We've got a little more than 15 minutes left till the market closes. I wanted to jump in and do a quick update, give you a couple of candidates out there for mañana. So I love what the S&P did. You know, this gap down was awesome. Shook out a lot of looky-loos yesterday. We got a great bounce back today. We're closing up. We're not filling the gap by any stretch of the imagination. I don't anticipate that happening in the next 15 minutes. But we did have a great comeback in there. I'd love to see us close just slightly above that 8 moving average. That would give me a lot more confidence. And then we attack that recent swing high we had there, which was the all-time high for the market. So overall, nice looking chart. So we've got 3 candidates for today. Altogether, I've got 24 candidates on our list. So we're going to go over 3, my top 3 for you today. Now, these are my top 3. You may have different ones that you like better. If you go over to tradewithrob.com, register for free, you'll get an email that shows you every one of the candidates every day that we put them out. Even days we don't have candidates out there, you'll get emails that said, we're not putting a video out today, but here's all the candidates with charts and all the lines drawn on them. So all you have to do is look at the chart. You know exactly where to place your targets and your stops, based on the training that's inside the members area for this. So our top 3 today, alphabetical order, are American Express, AXP is the first one. So let's go take a look and check it out. So there's the entire fib. I love the move and the break out of this 365.74. That puts us at an all-time high there. Nicey nice. Very nice, actually. So I like the upside better on this than I do the downside. So we're going to go with the upside first. So I'd love to see a pullback to that 365, not all the way to it, but near the 365.74, a bounce. We'll take the trade off of the bounce. We've got resistance at 372, my 372.5. My target's going to be right about 371, 370.5, somewhere around that area. Stops just on the other side of that 365. The downside, a little bit rougher here. Small move down, retest at 365.74 and fail. We're going to put our support at 360.34. Right? So we're looking at maybe 362 as a target. I don't have a lot of room in here. Right? So I got to be pretty diligent with this entry. Right? We're going to take the trade off of the drop and we're going to put stop just on the other side. Right? Then we got Mr. Softy. Love me some Microsoft. Let's unscrunch this one. Let's get a bigger view. Okay. So let's bring it back where we could see it now. Downside target is our one that I like the most. So we're going to go with red. Small break to the downside. Retest. Fail. 500 is going to be our support. My target's going to be about 502 on this. I'm going to take the trade on the fail. I'm going to put a stop just on the other side of that 508. You'll determine where you put your stop. And when you go through the training video, which is 90 minutes long, it will show you exactly how I set all of these up. All right, for the upside move, if we get a move to the upside, move up, retest, and bounce. Right, we're going to take the 8 moving average, which is 519-ish. 519 is going to be resistance, which means my target's going to be about 517. Let's call it 516. I got plenty of room in there. I'll be happy with an $8 move, no, if so, $7 move, no problem. So we're going to take the trade off of there. Bullish trade. Stop somewhere down below that 508.30. So good setup. WDC is the last one. So WDC, we can see the entire fib. Let's scrunch down. 62.15. All right, we don't need to split any levels in half. I definitely like the upside better, and you'll see in a moment why if you haven't already figured it out. Small move up, retest, and bounce. Right, take the trade off of the 162 area, so 163, 64, somewhere in that area. Stop somewhere down below that 162. Resistance is at 177. My target on this, 176. Right, on the downside move, yeah, we could take the downside. Small move down, retest, and fail. Right, take the trade off of the fail, stop on the other side. So I've got support at about 155, which means my target here is about 156. If I'm in at 161 and out at 156, I've got a $5 move. It's not like there's a lot of room in there. So I like this one a lot better to the upside because of the amount of room. I don't quite have that to the downside. I'm not disappointed by it. You just got to be diligent and make sure you take the trade effectively. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, have a great rest of your day. Make it a profitable one, and I will see you all at our next update. Bye for now.